Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm waiting for that video load I just made, and I was playing around with the seamless pattern. And I came up with a completely different design. So if you didn't watch how I've done the seamless pattern, I've got one right now, and this one's actually broke into pieces. So I'm going to use a Smart Fill tool to fill this in to get a complete uh, sealed up volume of it. And how about, well, let's change this to black. You need to click on it, and we're going to change it to black because I'm going to contour it in red to give it a totally different look. Let's go to Effects, Contour, Contour to the inside, and look at that. Let's go a little bit further. Let's go 1.1. Total different look. Now take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And then I would always left click no outline. There's a whole different pattern that you could play with. Now my only suggestion is I would get to my full pattern first and do it because of the fact that this thing is 40 inches, so we'll keep our nudge factor on 40. If you duplicate it and move it over, you've got a double line there. Now we can go up to a range and break the four objects apart to get rid of that line down the middle, but it's going to change a little bit. And then you could take your Smart Fill tool or your virtual segment delete key and delete this line. And you'd have to do it on all of them if you were doing it this way. But it gives you a totally different look. Now let's use the Smart Fill tool. That's a pretty cool design. I mean, not particularly this one, but you could play around with it and do a lot with it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.